Scrum is one of the most widely used and effective Agile frameworks. It helps teams develop, deliver, and sustain complex products. Let's start off by understanding what is Scrum. Imagine a high-energy sports team constantly moving, communicating, and adjusting to win the game. That's Scrum. It's a framework that helps teams work together to develop, deliver, and sustain complex products. Scrum is all about breaking down big goals into manageable pieces, allowing teams to deliver value incrementally and frequently. At the core of Scrum are sprints. Sprints are short, time-boxed iterations, usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks, during which a specific set of tasks must be completed. Think of sprints as mini projects that build upon each other to create the final product. Each sprint ends with a potentially shippable product increment. Who's who in Scrum? Scrum has 3 key roles, each with distinct responsibilities. First, you've got product owners. The product owner is the visionary, responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog. They ensure that the team is working on the most valuable features first. Think of them as the captain of the ship, setting the course and adjusting as needed. Second, Scrum Masters. The Scrum Master is the coach and facilitator. They ensure the team follows Scrum practices, removes impediments, and fosters a productive environment. They're like the referee in a game, ensuring that everyone plays by the rules, helping the team stay focused and effective. Third, there are development teams. The development team or the delivery team is the engine room. They do the actual work of designing, building, and testing the product. This self-organizing group collaborates closely, leveraging each other's strengths to get the job done. Scrum has 5 key events that create a regular, repeating cycle of work and reflection. First, you have sprint planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the team holds a sprint planning meeting. Here they discuss what work will be done and how they will achieve it. The goal is to create a sprint backlog, which is a list of tasks for the upcoming sprint. Next, you've got daily Scrum. The daily Scrum, sometimes referred to as the daily stand-up, meeting is a short, time-boxed event, usually 15 minutes, held every day. The team discusses what they did yesterday, what they will do today, and any obstacles they face. It's like a quick huddle, keeping everyone aligned and on track. Third, you've got sprint reviews. At the end of each sprint, the team holds a sprint review. They demonstrate the work completed during the sprint to stakeholders, they gather feedback, and discuss what to do next. This event ensures continuous alignment with customer needs and expectations. Fourth, there are sprint retrospectives. Following the sprint review, the team holds a sprint retrospective. They reflect on the sprint, discussing what went well, what didn't, and how to improve. It's all about continuous improvement and making each sprint better than the last. And there's the sprint itself. The sprint is the heartbeat of Scrum, encapsulating all the work and events within the time box period. There's also a concept in Scrum called Scrum artifacts. There are 3 main artifacts. Firstly, you've got product backlogs. The product backlog is a prioritized list of all the features, enhancements, and fixes that might be needed in the product. It's dynamic, it's constantly evolving based on feedback and changing requirements. Next, there are sprint backlogs. The sprint backlog is a list of the tasks that a team commits to completing during the sprint. It's a subset of the product backlog, focusing on what can be achieved within the sprint. And then you have the increment. The increment is the sum of all the completed product backlog items at the end of a sprint. It's a step forwards towards the final product, providing value to the customer incrementally. Wrapping this up, Scrum isn't just about following a process. It's about embracing a mindset of collaboration, flexibility, and relentless improvement. Scrum's iterative, incremental approach allows teams to deliver value quickly and adapt to changes easily. It fosters collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement, making it a powerful framework for tackling complex initiatives. So get out there and start Scrumming today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to check out the range of courses I offer that are trusted by organizations around the world, including the US government, EY, Cognizant, Accenture, Tata, and many more. You'll find all the details in the description below. Plus, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, where I share plenty of valuable content. And make sure to check out my video on Scrumban and my video on Kanban if you want to understand different Agile frameworks.